Hello everyone. We are the students of Electronics and Computer Engineering. I am Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. This is me, Swati Devkar, roll number 40. And this is me, Samiksha Kupe, 46. Today, we are super excited to talk on the fascinating topic under the subject of Indian Knowledge System, IKS. The Gondeshwar Temple of Sinnar. This is the fascinating temple located in Sinnar, Nasik, Maharashtra. A fine example of ancient Indian temple architecture, showcasing the rich heritage and craftsmanship of Yadav period.
In this presentation, we will explore about historical importance, cultural heritage of this temple, which stands as a testament to India's spiritual and cultural legacy. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the beauty and history of Gondeshwar temple.
This is the approximately 1000 years old temple, Gondeshwar temple. It is located in the town called Sinnar, about 28 kilometers from Nasik.
There are many ancient temples in the country, but very few people know about this temple. This temple is a magnificent example of Nagara architecture of its time, built by the Yadav dynasty. This temple is extremely beautiful.
Today in this video we are going to tell you the story about the Gondeshwar temple. So make sure to watch the video till the end because
अपना इतिहास नहीं जानोगे
तो खुद को कैसे पहचानोगे?
Between the 11th and 12th century, a new dynasty emerged in the Deccan region, and the name of the dynasty was Savna dynasty.
The kings of this dynasty called themselves Yadav. Their capital was Sinnar. King Rao Govind built this temple. Initially, this temple was called Govindeshwar temple.
But later, it became popular with the traditional name as Gondeshwar temple. It is said that Rao Govind gave lakh rupees to build this temple, which would be worth crores of rupees in today's time.
And no doubt this money was not wasted because even someone who sees this temple at a glance will immediately admit how magnificent it is. The Gondeshwar temple is the best example of Yadav architecture. This temple is built in Bhumija style. It is a style developed around the Deccan, which has a mixture of Nagara temple and Dravidian temple architecture.
The temple is surrounded by a wall on the all four sides, and the temple is built inside this wall is erected on the high rectangular platform. This is built with the length and width of 38 into 28 meters. In the temple, there are total three gates: east, north and south.
When you enter the temple through the main gate, that is the eastern gate, you will find a Nandi Mandapa. The idol of Nandi in it is made facing the temple of Lord Shiva.
Gondeshwar temple is the Shiva's temple. It is called as the Shiv Panchayata. In fact, this is called as the Shiv Panchayata style temple. Panchayata style means here are the Lord Shiva is placed in the center and four other temples are built around it.
In this carving, you will find many types of idols, such as idols of stories from Mahabharata and Ramayana. Along with this, idols of sages, warriors, idols related to social life and musicians.
At the Shiva's temple, it is Simi Mandapa temple, that is half of it is hall. Then comes to the Antaral, and after that the Sanctum Sanctorum of the temple.
In this Sanctum Sanctorum, the Shivling is installed. There is a high peak above this Garbha, which is built in Nagara style.
The structure of the rest of the temple is also similar, but the rest of all the temples are smaller than Shiva's temple. This is the speciality of the Panchayata's temple. In this, one god is said to be bigger than the rest of all the gods. One of the big speciality of the temple is that the stones of this temple are not joined by anything. That is, no cement like substance are used.
Rather, they are placed in a cutout format, that is, they are joined by placing stone on the top of the stone, and the entire temple is built in this style. Well, the speciality of this temple is that the entire temple is carved.
Dancers and people playing musical instrument. It is believed that the carving is been carved on a single stone. The idols of Brahma, Shiva, Parvati and Varna and Narmasimha are also found on the walls of this temple, which are been carved in a very beautiful way.
If we look at the peak of the temple, it is built in the pyramid style, in which the base at the bottom is quite wide, which becomes narrower as it goes up. This is a 7-story peak. However, the Kalash on the top of the peak is not present here.
Apart from the architecture, friends, there are many stories about this temple. It is said that there are the secret passage under the temple that goes to the nearby famous temple, that is Trambakeshwar temple, which is situated in Nashik.
However, no evidence of this has been found yet, but this is often said in folk tales. However, despite all this, the surprising thing is that although it competes with many temples in Maharashtra.
In conclusion, the Gondeshwar temple stands as a remarkable example of Indian rich cultural and architectural heritage. It stands as a Hemantipati style artmanship, historical significance of from the Yadav period, and continue the scriptural relevance and make it an invaluable part of our Indian knowledge system.
This temple is not just a place of worship but also a testament to the advanced engineering, artistic excellence, and devotion of our ancestors. By preserving and studying such heritage sites, we can better appreciate our history and ensure that future generations remain connected to India's glorious past.
चंद्रमा ललाट पे भस्म है भुजाओं में वस्त्र बाघ छाल का है खड़ा पाँव में प्यास क्या हो तुझे गंगा है तेरी जटाओं में जटाओं में जटाओं में दूसरों के वास्ते तू सदैव ही जिया मांगा कुछ कभी नहीं तूने सिर्फ है दिया समुद्र मंथन का था समय जो आ पड़ा
Now let us see some animated videos related to it.
था छिड़ा